Hi, hello Dr.Stock viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. In this video, we're going to detailedly see about how the Nifty and Bank Nifty is going to behave for the upcoming week. So that is the week starting 14th till 18th. We're going to see about how the Nifty and Bank Nifty going to behave completely. I'm moving on directly with the daily chart to show the levels on how the Nifty is going to move. So recently, we had Nifty moving in a ascending channel previously. Right now, Nifty is moving in rising wedge. That means that we have some limitations in the move which is happening right now. Okay, so anything can happen on a drop down basis. So there is an ascending channel previously. Right now, it is moved as a rising wedge. So that is the difference you have to note down. And starting from 4th till 10th, what happened is market was closing well below this level of 11370. As you can see, we had a weakness till 9th. And after that, what happened is there is a retracement happened on 10th and 11th. So right now, again, we came back to a bull mode. So 11370 is playing an important role. I am saying many times repeatedly here. Any continuous close below 11370 will attract us towards very quickly to 10,550 levels. But if there is a volatility, high volatility, and things are not moving, then during that cases, there are high probable chance of things to come back to long only. So you have to keep this in mind. So 11370 is playing as an important role. From here, you can expect again a bounce back to very close to 11,800 levels. From there, we have to check what is going to happen because this is the point where we have the previous resistance. So that is all I have in daily chart. Let me move on to the, so what I can say as of now from last week, from bear market is again back to the bull, but still 11,370 is playing as an important support at the moment. And 11,800 is playing as an important resistance for the market. That are the key things. Now moving on with the weekly data. Weekly data, last week we had a pullback, that is a slight bear side possibility. Right now it showed very clearly that we are back to the bull again, but still the same limit of 11370 is playing as an important part here as well. Here again 11,800 is playing an important resistance. Moving on with the monthly. Monthly again is showing the same reaction on bull. Reason being we are into the 2016 lows. So it is again 11,800 is playing as an important resistance in this place as well. On all the time frames, 11,370 and 11,800 is playing in clear-cut support and resistance for the Nifty on a long-term basis on daily, weekly and monthly. Let's move on to a short time frame which will help us towards tomorrow's trading. That would be the 15 minutes trading data. As per 15 minutes candle, right? So right now it is again into the bullish mode. Reason being we are into the last week highest high levels. So last week when it is opening, we are into a clear bear mode, and from there we had a comeback from 11,184 level. So that is one of the superb setback for the bulls at the moment. And from here where we are going to hit any continuous close above 11,500, we are going to hit towards 11,685 levels very quickly. From there again above 11,800 we might head towards 12,000 levels, and it's all purely depends on we are sustaining 11,800 or not. So again any close below 11,1, that is 11,370 will make trouble to markets, and when 11,370 is getting reached continuously on bear side, we're going to head towards 11,250 levels. That is what the 15 minute chart is saying at the moment. So let's move on to the next part of this video, open interest, FII data and PCR data. So as per open interest, we have a clear support on 11,300 levels. So that is the important support for market at the moment as per open interest, and the next support, it would be 11,400, which is acting as an important support as per the open interest on the put side. Moving on with the resistance, 11,500 is playing as an important resistance for market. Any close on sustaining above 11,500, we're gonna go very near to 12,000 limit. So that is where the second highest open interest we have. So that is one important key thing. And before that, we have to cross goodly 11,800. That is the third important point. So it is like 11,300 is putting a clear base and 11,400 is putting a second clear base. So these are the strong levels at the moment as of support is concerned, and for resistance it would be 11,500, 11,800 and 12,000. So that is what the OI data is giving a clear information at the moment for the bull action to continue. Now let's move on to FII data. So as per the FII data, it is very clear indication that FII are into continuous buy. You can see we had a rally on very close to Friday. That is mainly because they had a buy of around very close to 5,900 crores. So that happened on Thursday. So that is the reason for the rally on Friday. They are into net buy of around very close to 8,400 crore at the moment in the market as of now. That is one of the key important thing as per the FI data is concerned. It shows that we are stepping into a slight bull side, but it would be like a very slow move. Now moving on with the PCR data, right now the PCR data is at 1. That means that there is a neutral market. There is more or less it is going to be a neutral market. Highly we will be having a clear consolidation that is going to happen for the market in the coming week. That is what the PCR data is suggesting as of now. Now let's move on to the next part of the video, that is the Bank Nifty analysis. So now moving on with it directly to Bank Nifty daily charts. To know about the view on Bank Nifty, we are moving to the daily charts of the Bank Nifty. So right now when compared to Nifty and Bank Nifty is actually looking very, very weak. Reason being, we are into a slight uncomfortable zone of this levels, that is 22,400. Whenever we are touching these limits, that is something like an important support levels that is being used in the weekly, monthly and daily. So this level is playing an important role. You can see many times this level is getting a sentimental level for Bank Nifty for almost very close to 2 months, more than that. Okay, 22,400 is again playing an important role, and I am saying again and again repeatedly, reason being that are the important levels at the moment as per the figures. So on continuous close about 22,400, we are into a happy mode on bull again. Where we are going to go? We're going to go towards very close to 24,350 levels, and from there again we will be heading towards 26,000 levels. That is what the FIB is letting us know at the moment. Like 22,400 is getting sustained, we're going to go very close to 24,000 levels. So that is one clear indication. We will be having a good quick move also. That is what the daily chart is saying at the moment. Moving on with the weekly. Weekly is again showing a slight weakness, but thank God we saved with the 22,400 levels, very close to that level. So we are saving our things at the moment on the weekly too, and we are sustaining, and we are going to go back to 24,000 levels on continuous close about 22,400 levels as per the weekly. Moving on with the monthly. As per monthly, again there is a clear bear signal, but still 22,440 is holding, right? So that means that we're going to head towards somewhat higher levels again on sustaining with the 22,400 levels completely. So that is playing an important support at the moment in BNF. So moving on to the 15 minutes time frame. So this will be likely helping you for tomorrow's trading data. So what here we can see is 22,200 levels is playing an important support at the moment for market. First support, and after that it would be like 22,070 levels. So that is playing an important support for BNF at the moment. Still now, bull is not sustained on BNF. Reason being, we have closed very below 38.2. So it's like we need to cross 22,600 again, so that only we are going to sustain to the bull movement in BNF. So once 22,600 is getting sustained, you can expect 23,000 levels immediately. That is like 400 points to almost 1,000 points. It's like 400 to 1,000 points movement will happen very quickly on BNF if we are completely sustaining above 22,600 levels. Kindly keep this in mind. So now let me move on to the next part of this video, that is the open interest data. So moving on with the open interest data, at the moment we have highest open interest on the put side on 21,000. So the second highest is on the levels 22,000. That means that 22,000 is playing as an important support for market at the moment as per open interest. So you have to keep these levels on mind, and again 22,500 is playing the third important support for the market. So it's like once 22,500 is getting sustained, crossing and sustained, we are going to go towards a very clear bull run. That is, we have the highest open interest on the call side on 23,000. The second highest is falling on 23,500, and third highest is falling on 24,000. So means that very clearly 22,500 is the point, like a cat. It's like what to say? It's like hero or zero levels for BNF. So once 22,500 is getting sustained, right? We're going to go towards a good run towards 23,000, and after 23,000 is getting sustained, 23,500. After 23,500 is getting sustained, 24,000. So all these limits, 500 point limits, is playing an important values on support and resistance for BNF at the moment. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. If you really like the contents, give me a like, and as well as try to share this video with all your trading friends, my dear friends. Catch you all shortly with yet another video shortly. Bye-bye. Take care.